Lorraine, Cink here at the world premiere of Marvel Studios' Black Panther. We are going to walk the purple carpet and show you everything the celebrities are going to see and see who we catch up with from the film. Let's check it out. I'm here with the Ghetto Film School. And what movie are you guys here to see?
Black Panther!
What are you excited to see tonight?
I'm excited to see all these amazing actors come in and do what they do.
If you would have told me when I was a kid that there was going to be a giant Black Panther movie, I'd have flipped my head.
It's great to see the character have his day.
The representation of the Black culture and ethnicities and just coming together. And there's some badass females.
I just love when comic book movies get to go outside and create these worlds. It's a whole new chapter.
The music also seems amazing.
Yes, and you...
Kendrick.
The stunts, the all-star cast full of legends.
Visually, it just looks super rad.
I can't wait. Like, I'm geeking out. Like, I was like, get me through this line so I can get in my seat and watch everyone perform.
Ryan Coogler's amazing, and I've been playing basketball with Michael B. Jordan since he was about 14. So
Is that true?
yeah, I used to play with him a lot. And Chadwick's amazing. So there's something that feels special about this one.
I'm going to be like a little kid just watching all of this Black excellence on the screen and Marvel magic. I can't wait.
To see this many people of color and just beautiful melanin everywhere and gorgeous color, it's just it's so stunning.
I've been a Black Panther fan since I was a little kid.
Tonight, I'm most excited about the fact that there is a whole planet of Black and brown children who are going to get to see themselves reflected in a superhero movie. This is nothing more exciting for a kid.
That was your world premiere experience. I'm going to go watch the film right now, but you should see Marvel Studios' Black Panther in theaters on February 16th. This is Marvel, your universe.